I am Florence Amelia Awat, one of the successful traditional weavers and entrepreneur here in Kalinga. I am the founder and manager of Kalinga Indigenous Weavers Association and Quinoa Ethnica Handicrafts. Kalinga people are known for preserving their arts and heritage, and I'm very proud to be one of the beacons keeping our Laga traditions alive. This skill was passed down to me by my parents, who learned it from my grandparents. It's a legacy I proudly carry forward. Traditional weaving is more than a skill, it's a way of life, a cultural expression, and a livelihood. Our business started from a shared passion for weaving. I founded the Kalinga Indigenous Weavers Association, Quinoa, in 2008 to bring further together this interested in learning the craft and to provide them with training and opportunities. My inspiration for that is it was taught by my mother, and that time I learned how to weave. The weaving industry in Kalinga was dying. So when I went to the book for the marketing of the industry, we were only 3 here in Tabuk who is selling or who is in marketing of the etong weaving industry. But I'm very happy that we are 33 now. Ito ang mga ni-weave ng ating weavers. Ito yung bagong designs natin. This is a laptop. This is design of nanay na innovate, na pinaganda. Ito rin ay mga ano natin. In Kalinga, we have 24 textile designs. Kaya ito na po ang ginagawa natin. Ito po ang ating malay. This is used to honor our visitors during our guests. Visitors natin. Ito po ang ating bags. Ang ganda po ng ating bag. Ito po ang ating mga dresses now. Nagpag-graduate ako ng 20 na students who have been staying with me. Na sila pong ang iba ay nasa weaving, accessory making, and then nasa marketing yung iba. My weavers here in my neighbors, before they were renting houses. Sila noon nag-rent sila. Pero ngayon, they were able to build their houses kahit maliit lang. And then pagka unti-unti nilang dinadevelop yung mga bahay nila. We are asking other agencies to help us in the provision of the loom frames sa mga na-trained na PWDs.
Salamat kay Ma'am Astrid, nagkaroon kami ng trabaho na maganda.
Nagpapasalamat po kami kay Ma'am Astrid kasi siya po yung nagbigay ng opportunity para may pagsunan po kami ng income.
I am Florence Amelia Awat, called Quinoa. Ang tawag nila sa akin ay Quinoa, and I am helping preserve our Kalinga weaving traditions.